Hello everyone, DJ Gez here, and today I want to show you how to data overlay vehicle information into your racing videos. You might have seen in some of my videos that I have like a gauge that shows the RPM and the lap times while I'm going around a track, and it also shows a map that's made from the phone's GPS. And to make this video easy, I'm going to break this down into 3 separate videos. I'm going to have one video that shows the real simple way to just use the Track Addict app and your phone to just make a video that has data overlaid information. I'm going to show another one where I have a GoPro hooked up and the app is going to control the GoPro. So you're going to get video from the GoPro and get the data information from the Track Addict app. And then the third video is going to be with multiple cameras, and they're not going to be controlled by the app, but I'll show you later on how you can take all of them and time them so that their videos match with the data overlaid video. To do this, you're going to need first a relatively newer smartphone. You're going to need an OBD Reader. I like to use the OBD Link LX. This was $50 on Amazon, and I'll have a link in the description. You'll need the Track Addict app that is free on the Google Play Store. And you'll have to go to the Track Addict website and get their what they call Race Render. That's the software that actually uploads the data information and your videos, and you can do your editing. Obviously, this only works for cars that are made in '96 and newer, since that's when they introduced OBD2. I'll not be covering how to do OBD1. Alright, to get started, what you want to do is you want to turn on your phone, and you want to turn on your Bluetooth for the OBD2. You want to turn on your location, and then I'm going to hold there for a sec, and your OBD reader you put in your car. Luckily it's in a nice convenient spot for me on my car, and for now I'm just going to do auxiliary mode. And to get started, real quick, before we go into Track Addict, I wanted to show just the app that came with the scanner itself. You open it up and you say connect. Doesn't take very long. The thing that's really nice about this scanner that I like is that it just always seems to work. You know, it's never buggy or anything. Oh, and right now, I mean, obviously it pairs real quick because it's already been set up for this, but to be honest, all you got to do is press the little button on it and pull down on your Bluetooth and hold and click on it, and then put in like a code. I think it was like 0000, and then you're paired. So pairing was really easy. But what's really cool is you can click diagnostics and it'll show up any codes you have. Yeah, so I got a bunch, but that's okay. I can also go to dashboard, and you see it's already showing me a few things, but I can also turn the car on and it will show me like RPM and oil temperature and whatnot. And these are just the ones that I picked. If you go on here, I mean, there's like hundreds and hundreds of sensors. Basically anything the car knows about itself you can look up on here, like even the voltage going to spark plug 1 and whatnot. But anyways, to get back to what we're trying to do, I'm going to go back to the Track Addict app, and you see it's going to be thinking down here. So the one here is OBD. That one takes like a quick second, but that's the one that gets mainly all the vehicle information. And then the other one is GPS, so that'll actually make the track segment. So here there's the different types of tracks you can have. You can have trail, drag, segment, and circuit. We'll do segment, and you can go to options, and here's many different options that you can pick from. Like I'm having it stored to the SD card, I'm in miles per hour. We're gonna use the, oh yeah, here, when you first open, you'll have to click this, and you'll say I want to pair to this device that it's seen through Bluetooth. But it already paired to OBD Link, so we're good there. And then, like I said, there's all these different options. I'll show it in my later video, but here I got external camera off, but if I click that, I can pick a GoPro or something that it can use for the video. So now we get ready to record. Like I said before, check that these are both green. Go up to your preview. Since we're just going to be using the back camera, I'm going to say back camera, and I want to be in 1080. It gives me a little preview, and I can also flip it over like that, and then you click record. So it says recording. So I'm going to turn the car on. Normally you'd have your car already on, but here I'm going to recording. And now that segment is in. And then you go onto your computer and you'll be able to use the software to actually upload the video and overlay all the data. Alright, now that we took our video, we're going to get back to the computer. And if I look, so the first one we're going to do is just off the phone. And so you don't have to do this step, but I wanted to show you. If you go to your Track Addict app, it'll show you the exact location of the files, and it's different for every phone, but what I'm going to be looking for right now is HP Track Addict files. And then here's all the different file types, and what we did was I did 3 videos again, and you can see based on the file name, these 4 documents go with that first video. And what you have here is you have a text document, you have a comma separated value document, which is the same as the text, but the thing that's really nice about this document is you can actually download the information to like Excel, and so you can make spreadsheets based on your data. There's the actual video itself, and then there's a TAD file. I don't know what the acronym stands for, but that's for, I guess it's Track Addict, but that's the Track Addict app document. And then you can see there's 4 for the other video and 4 for the other video. So what we're going to do is to make our video, I've already downloaded the Race Render program. You don't have to pick a template here. If I click X, it'll just go to, manual mode. But what I'm going to do is we're going to just use this template to start off. It'll ask you for a video file and a data file, which again, the data file is that Track Addict TAD document. So what I did was, again, I didn't go through the phone. I like to actually download my stuff to an external hard drive first, just because things work a lot more cleanly. So I did Track Addict, and this one would be the first video file. Okay, so it says it has, yeah, we want to do that. And the thing is, since that was made together, it actually already found the data file, but I can also go in here and say, hey, I want, the data file, and click it here. But since it already found it, we'll just go with it. Click OK. This is a bunch of different templates you can use that are really nice, depending on what you're trying to do. They got some cool ones. They actually have some like compact ones for motorcycles, and I guess I picked one of those. But and then there's also ones for like if you're in a plane and whatnot. You got all these different things you can have come up. Speed, we were going real slow. Let's put 20 down. You can pick your red line and your max tack speed, RPM, shift light, gear indicator, throttle position. We didn't really do a lap, so we'll take that off. We don't need altitude. How about G-force? We'll do G-force. But anyways, you pick the ones you want. If you want to eliminate them later, you can just delete them. Actually, I'll even show you that. I'll do lap timer. Okay. And then here's that timer. So I can just click this and delete it. It says, are you sure you want to remove? And then this is the video. So it says recording. So I'm going to turn the car on. Normally you'd have your car already on, but here I'm going to back up. So this is the video right here. So I like it. You can trim it if you want. There's all these different things, but basically what you would do is you'd say create video. Do you want to save? I'll just say no for now. Pick what kind of resolution you want, and you say start rendering, and that's how you'd make the file, and you're done. So that's how you download vehicle information into your videos. I hope this was really informative for some people. I went really fast because I didn't want this video to be too long, but if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section. If you like this content, please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.